Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a very exciting review slash unboxing video for you guys for the Louis Vuitton Alma BB. This is something that I have been wanting to film for quite some time now, as I did get this little handbag gifted to me for my birthday this year, a couple of weeks ago. I do want to let you guys know that I have been collecting luxury handbags for a couple of years now, and it's something that I personally love. I see the amazing quality that these designer brands put in the handbags, and I absolutely think that it is my weakness, and it probably will be for quite some time now. So I'm a huge fan of Louis Vuitton. I see the amount of effort and the amount of skill that these people put into their beautiful handbags. No bag is the same as one against the other. They are all so different and versatile. You can wear them with pretty much everything. You can dress it up, dress it down. I love this one in particular because you can wear it on multiple occasions. If you don't already know me, again, my name is Chelsea Hurst, and I post on everything beauty, lifestyle and fashion related content to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up if you are enjoying the video along the way. So I will be showing you guys the beautiful packaging that it comes in right beside me here. I'll be unboxing it, showing you how to wear it and showing you the inside, etc. And I do want to put a little disclaimer out there that this is not a bragging video. It's not a video of me telling you ladies why you should buy this bag or why you should buy designer bags in general, because I know that they are quite expensive. But like I said before, it is my weakness. I personally love it. I see it as an investment, and I will definitely be passing it down to my future children one day there too. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So let's get into the fun bit. I'll start off by unboxing the handbag, and obviously my birthday was a couple of weeks ago, so I have already unboxed it, but I did try to put it in as best as I could in terms of how I initially saw it. So let's get straight into it. That is the huge bag that it comes in, Louis Vuitton. And that's the box right here. Here is the dust bag, if you can see just there. Okay. And ta-da, that is the beautiful Alma BB. I'll give you guys a close-up shot. So that's it there. And it has the beautiful tag, obviously, that I've popped on, where is it? Just over here, with the little lock so it keeps it in place. I absolutely love wearing the strap on the handbag, as I have my hands free. It's so much more convenient than just holding it like this. So that is the Alma BB, and it does also have the beautiful, luxurious gold zipper right here so you guys can see. It's the most perfect size in the sense that even if you want to pop it with a little t-shirt, jeans during the day and strap it around for a more casual look, you can do that. And it looks so luxurious in the evening. So if you want to wear a black dress, if you want to wear like high heels with, you know, those leather pants with the beautiful top, you can do that. And what I like to do in the evening is actually take this strap off. So the strap is just here. So if you just take it off like so, and then what I like to do is just hold it like this. So at night time, it looks so beautiful. And during the day, 80% of the time I do usually have the strap on, because like I said before, I can easily run errands with it. I have my hands free if I'm going shopping. This bag is perfect for all sorts of occasions. So whether it is coffee with the girls, birthday party, just going to the grocery store, just popping a few little notes in there or what have you, it is so convenient. And this is going to last a very long time. I absolutely love that the print is so traditional. It's not something that is going to go out of of fashion as opposed to other ones like pink, a red bag, or something that's really, really bright. I do love bright colors as well, but these little bags are so luxurious in the sense that it never goes out of fashion. So even 20 years from now, it is still going to be very much in. It's so chic, so classy. I can't speak highly enough of this bag. You guys will probably be seeing more photos and stories on my Instagram with this little cutie here. It is so gorgeous. I'm never going to get sick of this handbag. It's my new little baby. I absolutely can't speak highly enough of this service at Louis Vuitton. I did actually a couple of years ago purchase the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, so with the pink inside, and I absolutely adore that bag as well. If you guys do want to see another luxury handbag collection, please pop the comments below. I might do that sometime in the near future. Another great benefit of this little bag is that it's so convenient in the sense that if you are going for coffee or whatnot, going for brunch, you literally can just, you know, pop it on the side, but you can pop it on the table as it's not a huge bag. When you're having a coffee, you can just pop it on the table. It just looks so cute and elegant, especially for photos as well. I believe it does come in a few other patterns as well. So the monogram is so luxurious as well. I believe it has the epi leather, the patent one, so pink, blue, I believe a cream or beige looking one there as well. I absolutely love the print that this one comes in, as it does speak for itself. It does truly represent Louis Vuitton when you look at it for the first time. But even more so, what is so elegant about this handbag is the inside. It has a beautiful red, so I'll show you. How classy does that look? It's so beautiful with the gold. Not only does it look so classy, but I do love the fact that because it is red, you can find your things so easily. So as opposed to having a black print inside, we are really trying to rummage through your things. You can't find anything. The red does stand out. So I pop usually my little pink Gucci wallet in there, a little hand cream, possibly a little perfume, my phone and sunglasses, and it does actually fit quite a lot, so it is quite spacious. The quality of this handbag is so phenomenal. You can really tell that so much effort and time gets put into it, just by the way that the leather feels, how sturdy it is from the bottom. Like I said for you guys before, if you just place it on the table, it's so sturdy. There, if you can see. I'll show you guys the amount of room inside. So with the red again, I'll just open it up. And it does have a little component if you want to put your phone or a little lip gloss there too. So if you can see. So yeah, that is the Alma BB Louis Vuitton. I might actually do a separate video in the future if you guys want to see a styling video of how to style the bag, what outfits to wear it in terms of day, night, night looks and so forth. I would love to do that there too with my other handbags in the future. So again, I can't speak highly enough of this little handbag. I can't wait to wear it out more in the evening when I'm going out for breakfast and so forth. It is so stunning. So beautiful, so versatile. And like I said, if you have any questions, I will be linking them in the description box in terms of where to purchase the bag and the actual code and so forth, if you guys do want to check it out in store there too. So this brings me to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you are new to my channel and if you do love watching videos on beauty, lifestyle, fashion, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up if you guys did love watching the video along the way. Like I said, I will be posting videos on every Sunday to my channel on everything beauty, lifestyle and fashion related content. Like I said at the start of the video too, this is such a beautiful little sentimental piece to my little handbag collection, as it was gifted to me for my birthday a couple of weeks ago. It is going to be treasured so much. I have made a few other little purchases over the years of designer luxury handbags. So I have, I believe, another 5. So I have spent my own money on these bags, as like I said, I do see them as a true investment, true value for money in terms of the quality, how it wears and how you can style it and so forth. So that pretty much wraps up this video, and I will see you guys next time. And just before I do let you guys go, I just want to introduce you to my new little family member, Henry the Groodle. So he is a little miniature Groodle that we adopted a couple of weeks ago. Did you just wake up from your nap? So be expecting him in a couple more videos to come, and I might do a separate one on you, hey? Okay, thanks guys, bye.